So how do we answer questions involving a discrete probability distribution? Very discreetly, so nobody knows. Just kidding. Really, all you have to do is multiply or divide based upon what you are given. So I'm going to change my pen to different colors so that I don't have to draw all over. So for question A, we are looking for the probability that a family has one or two pets. So all we need to do for that is look at where the family has one pet and two pets, and then add these together. So just follow along with the green lines for each of the corresponding questions. So changing to blue now, we want more than two pets. So that means that we are going to simply add the probabilities of 3 or 4. Since we're not given anything greater than that, we're just going to stop at 3 and 4. And we do not include 2 because it's asking more than 2 pets. So we just add these together. All right, moving forward, no more than 3 pets. So let's mark this as red. So no more than 3 pets. So that means that we can do 0, 1, 2, or 3, but not more than 3. So that means add up 0.4, 0.2, 0.2, and 0.1, and then that will give us the answer for C. At least one pet. So I'm going to use magenta, at least one pet. So that means 1, 2, 3, or 4, because those are our possibilities of everything beyond at least 1. We add these values together. So for most of this question, it's simply knowing what quantities are being asked based upon the verbiage and adding the corresponding components. So now getting onto more technicalities, finding the mean number of pets. So we know that the mean in the usual distribution is just adding up all the numbers and dividing them by how many there are. But in a discrete probability distribution, what we do is we multiply our probability times our quantity. So in this case, we do 0 times 4, 0.4, I mean. And then we do the same for each one going forward. So 1 times 0.2, 2 times 0.2, 3, 0.2, 4 times 0.1. And then we will add these up, and then the quantity below will be our average or mean. So this will be our mu value. So just multiply them together, add them all up, and that will give us our mean number of pets. So furthermore, now we want to find the standard deviation of the number of pets. So that equation is as follows. We take the square root of the sum of each individual value minus the probability. So the distance between each value and the probability squared times the probability of it occurring. So we'll find our average number of pets from this, our mu value, and then we will likewise do 0 minus that value, 1 minus that value, 3 minus that value, square all those, then multiply them by each one of their probabilities. So once you get the sum series of all those, then you take the square root, and that will give you your standard deviation. So I hope this helps to clear up questions involving the discrete probability distribution. If you would like more guidance, please feel free to consult me at my channel on Wyzant, and I'll be more than happy to assist you further. Have a great day.